So every specimen that comes to the pathology laboratory will come with a requisition sheet. That requisition sheet will contain all the patient demographics, including the patient's medical record numbers, birth date, social security numbers, etc., etc., etc. So the first step when using the pathology information system is to log in the patient into the system. Now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I will assume that this is a small physician office and the requisition already contains a medical record number. This medical record number can be issued by physician office, the local physician office. It could be from some other physician office or a hospital. It doesn't matter for this demonstration. So the first thing is to go to demographics, and then you go under new patient, or you can call that screen by pressing Control N. So as you can see, the first thing is to search our local database, okay, for a medical record number. Of course, we can also search by social security number if that is used to identify patients. So let's try to create a new patient. Now, if we type the number that comes with the requisition sheet, the database will search for that medical record number and found no matches. So it will give us an opportunity right now to log in a patient information with that particular medical record number. We can use a couple of other identifiers, for example, account number, which can be used from the local physician office account number, or we can use alternate number, which is a different, let's say, surgical numbers issued by another pathology office, medical record number issued by different hospitals, etc., etc. So let's say we log in the patient John Doe, let's see, 12/12, 1970. Age will be calculated automatically. The options which are marked with a star are necessary, the other are entirely optional. So for example, marital status, okay, it doesn't need to be filled up. Gender, we're gonna put male. Social security number is entirely option, even though all the information is preserved, basically is encrypted. This can be left off. Phone also is entirely optional. We're gonna put here some fake. Medical record number is gonna be the same as the search one, so we can leave this one, and account number and alternate number are entirely option. Address is necessary. This address can be used to mail actually results, etc. Any additional notes about the patient identification can be put under this field, after which we can save the record. Now that brings us back to the search screen, where we can continue logging with the next requisition. Okay, so now let's say that this patient comes second time to our department, and after we put in the medical record number, it will tell us that this medical record number already exists, and we can proceed with adding the case to it. So we can skip the patient demographic and just go ahead and log in the patient demographics. Now we can edit any demographics by searching the database for the medical record number. Here is our patient here, John Doe. Okay, so we can proceed with the benefits, and we can put here the priority number 1, for example. This is the first medical insurance we're going to put here. Let's say put Medicare, put 124, group number 124, or whatever. Effective date is going to be 2017. Any additional notes can be put here, we can save, and now we have all the benefits being put in. And this is how you log in a patient demographics.